Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be me testing out a lot of makeup from Wish that is really low in price. I am nervous and I am skeptical because I've done this video like a while back, almost a year ago, and now I'm like trying out completely different products off the site. If you haven't seen my clothing haul that I recently did from them, I will link it down below for you to check out. Am I itching my scalp? Yes, I am, girl, because all these extensions make my head itch.
You also do it as a nervous tick.
Do I?
Yes, you always do.
Oh my god, it might be a nervous tick. Anyways, yeah, I probably do it as a nervous tick, but I'm not very nervous. And I'm wearing a cap today because I literally have no reason to wear this cap. I just thought it was cute. Girl, she's just trying to be cute. What is this?
Sorry, had to fix the mic. It was on the screen. What are those?
What are those? We'll talk about them in a minute. Don't tell the tea yet. Don't tell the tea yet.
They're one-use eyeshadow.
World's tiniest eyeshadow. Girl, let me sing the subscribe song and jump right in.
Be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe!
Okay, let's jump into this video. Okie dokie artichoke. So I'm itching. Okay, let me stop. Putting on this hat backwards so we have the forehead space. The monitor has got a white bar going across my eyebrow, so when I look into it, it looks like I have no eyebrow. So my concealer didn't come in. I ordered it over a month ago and it didn't come in, and I was like, girl, we about to film this video, so today I'm just going to use some Maybelline concealer in replacement. But first, to start off with, I bought this lovely Larlees knockoff drops, and they were super affordable. I want to show you guys a regular bottle. Look how tiny. This is the fake. Obviously, this is the real. What happened there? So this is the one. No, this is the rose gold elixir. It smells like caca. It is like the rainiest day in LA, which is unheard of, and everybody forgets how to drive and goes crazy. So, girl, I'm trying to stay home and film. Let me put this on my face. Oh, just one little drop. One little drop, and then we'll rub them in. Oh, honey, that ain't right. That feels thick, which is always pretty scary. You know what? This like is kind of tingling my face. Okay, I'm getting nervous, Ty. This is like tingling. I think it kind of burns. I feel like I should wipe some of this off, making me scared. When does makeup literally scare me? Okay. Show them your hand.
I forgot how to wipe.
Ew, don't say that. He's been working on stuff. Here's a makeup wipe.
I'm caulking.
He's caulking stuff.
Quacking.
He's caulking stuff around the house. Caulking the house.
I'm caulking the house.
Not clocking the house.
I'm caulking.
The caulking the house. That made me nervous. Why do I feel like my face was about to like go crazy? Okay, let me put on a little foundation. I bought this Foria foundation. Now, any foundation I've ever bought off like eBay Wish has just not done me well, and this one looked like so legit, and they had other things in this brand. I brought an eyebrow pencil thing in this brand, so we'll try that out as well, but here we go. Y6 brush for Morphe.
Y6 brush for Morphe.
Use my code.
Kinda.
That's not my code.
Do you have another makeup wipe?
It worked, didn't it?
It did pretty good.
Yep. Here.
What kind of video is this, by the way?
This actually smells really good, this foundation.
Did you say what this video is about?
Yeah, it's about... Did I?
I just don't listen.
Girl, this makeup's from Wish. Why does this foundation have such good coverage?
Like, are you okay?
Like, I never have good luck with these foundations, and today is my day, honey. The makeup gods are with me. Today is my day, and it smells good. Is it a little bit too dark? Maybe like a shade too dark, but see what we're gonna do is blend it on down the neck. Why does it look, it feels a little greasy, but that could have been some of the leftover primer, but girl, the foundation did me right. Oh my God, I'm really excited. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna apply some of this dark eraser. Erase dark circles. Concealer from Maybelline. I'm just gonna pat her on. We're just gonna do this part real quick. We're gonna pretend this is a Wish concealer, although it's definitely not. Yeah.
Wanna be my lover?
Yeah. Wanna be my lover.
We should go on the road.
Honestly, it's time to go on tour. Singing while applying makeup. Girl, the face is looking right, okay? I'm just really happy. We had a rough start with the primer, Larlees fake primer. That's why you don't use fake makeup. Now I have this loose setting powder that I picked up and it came with this little sponge in it, which makes me really exciting. I always mess up my words, why? You wanna zoom me in a little bit?
You're like your mother. That's as far zoomed out as you can get.
Zoom in.
You said out.
In.
Roll his head back now. This bitch said out.
You wanna zoom me in a little bit? Here I go, setting it and forgetting it. Just down the nose, got my little cup. And then we're just gonna apply that to the under eye. We're gonna bake it at 360 degrees. Woo! Okay, so far so good. You guys are gonna freak out. The oil just fell over and spilled into my only bronzer. What the heck is happening? It was going so well. Look at it. Ty, what do I do about bronzer?
You just use the top part of it.
Okay. I bought this little blush and bronzer palette. The oil is everywhere. And that bronzer in the bottom corner is what I'm going to use. This is an R8 brush. And I'm specifically using it to kind of chisel out. But I'm also using it because this brush will fit right into the top of the bronzer without getting that oil on it.
Woo! Do not go in there.
Tyler, you just peed.
Alright, call me if you need me.
Okay. Call me, beat me. It's a little warm. She's looking a little sunburnt on the nose. But it's very pigmented, so we shall not complain. Today, my camera that I've been using for over a year now just decided like, hey, I don't want to work anymore, so I'm just like not gonna film. It's just like not reading any of my memory cards, so I'm using my old school camera. It's not even that old school, it's the 7D. Actually, I'm using the 5D Mark III. That's what I'm filming with today because I think I have the 5D Mark IV that I film with. She decided she's just done with me and my shenanigans. We're gonna take her to the store and we're gonna get her fixed. And that's just that because she needs to keep working. We've not had her long enough for her to be causing all this commotion. So I'm gonna take an E54 brush and just sweep away the powder. I gotta say the complexion for this video, like I'm shocked. Like I never have good luck with the complexion. We normally like finagle the eyes and stuff like that. Girl, like life is coming together. Okay, let's move right along. So I'm gonna take an M530 brush. Came through dripping. Drip, drip. Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna dip into this blush. I've been getting back into blush lately. Like I quit wearing it for quite a while. Part of the reason I was just too lazy to get up and get my blush. I'm just kidding. I'm back into it. Like I like really blushy cheeks lately. This little palette's nice. This is called the Miss Rose Professional Makeup 6-Color Blusher Palette. That was a mouthful, but that's the name of it in case you wanted to look it up on Wish. Let's do highlighter. So I bought this knockoff Iconic London highlighter and I wanted to see if it would work. Now this is not the real one. Little poo-poo. It doesn't really suck up any product. It like sucks up little, yeah, like the sucker on it. It doesn't really work. We have a little faulty spongy thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I'm actually gonna try to apply it with a brush, which this isn't like. Okay, here we go. Get a little bit more. Actually, it looks really beautiful. I mean, I like it. I do. Apply it over here. Let's get some down the nose like we always do. Just a little highlight. Frost the nose. Okay, our face makeup is done. We're gonna move on to some eyebrows and some eyes. So for eyebrows, I bought, like I said, the brow pencil in the same brand Foria as the foundation. So here it is. This is one of those tattoo brow pencils with the 3 little prongs on the edge. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows and hope that I keep having some good luck. I mean, I say I had good luck and really we start off this video with the freaking primer like burning my skin. So I don't know if that's good luck. Okay, here I go. Okay, love that the color of this brunette pencil is like auburn red. Hello. I think this is where our lucky streak runs out. Girl, this brow is looking a mess. So this is just not the right color. It's just too warm. So I think what we'll do is we'll move on to this little eyeshadow palette. And I want to show you guys, it like came in this plastic box. And that is highlighter that's spilled. I'm just spilling everything today. But you get 3 eyeshadow palettes, and they're like the tiniest little eyeshadow pans in there. This is what I was laughing about. You get 3 of them. You get a neutral and 2 colorful ones. We'll see how they perform. I did swatch one color, and it was a little bit of a letdown, so I was kind of like, eh. For my eyebrow, I'm gonna take like this darker cool brown right here. Maybe mix it in. So I ended up having to mix a little bit of the clear brow pomade, or I'm sorry, clear brow gel into this powder to kind of make like a pomade situation, so it would be really pigmented and would like stick to the brow. But I think the brows look pretty good, so now we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. I'm gonna take, where are you? Here are you. Oh, I hit myself in the face. I'm gonna take this concealer and just add a little bit to the eyelids so we can use it as a primer, and then we're gonna do a look. I really wanna try to get wild and crazy and try out this bright yellow shade. Look at this little nugget palette. I am nervous because like I don't know how good the pigment's gonna be, and I feel like once I get a crappy yellow all over my eye, it just goes downhill from there. Basically, I'm just hoping that this works out. You know what? I don't think that these are gonna be that pigmented, unfortunately. Just knew you were gonna film me. Little eyeshadow palette. How did I know? So I think we're gonna have a change of plans on the look that we're doing today. I kind of had a look in mind, but seems like that might not work out. Maybe the purple will show us some love. So I'm gonna go in with this little purple right here. It's a matte purple, by the way. I mean, it's like a little wash of color. This is just, I think what's gonna happen here is this is just gonna be like a really pastel look because it seems like the eyeshadow just has like this light wash of color in it, so, Next up, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of this white matte shade, just like right in here to brighten it up on the lid. And I'm gonna use a M124 brush to add this color. Just feel like this look looks like I barely have any eyeshadows on, and I have packed on 3 different eyeshadows, like so hardcore, so it's just like a struggle. I think what I'm gonna do now is take a bit of that purple shade and just try to blend it on the lower lash line because that seems to be the most pigmented of all of the shades.
How's it going?
It's going good, honey. I definitely feel like we need some eyeliner with this look, so I found this LAURALEE waterproof long-lasting eyeliner.
Is it Milia the dots in your eyes?
No, this says LAURALEE.
So the Milia.
The Milia. It has like one of these really stiff, like hard, impossible to use wands on it. But girl, let me try. I think my eyes look really cute, actually. I mean, it's not that pigmented, but I don't not like my eyes. And the liner is not so bad, just the wand's a little bit hard to work with. Ooh. We got a thick wing on today. This is very pigmented liquid liner. Very pigmented. So actually I like the product. For lashes, I picked up these 007 lashes. So they're like spy lashes 007. Just kidding. I think it's just a coincidence. They're 007. They come in this little plastic case and they're quite large. So let's see what they look like on my eyes. Oh my God, look how big these lashes are, but I kind of live. All right, here we go. We're just gonna apply her. Doop. Okay, for lips, we have a little emergency. I'm just a cuckoo, and I guess I didn't realize my lip product didn't come in either, so we're just gonna make a lipstick, and you guys are probably like, what is she talking about? But I picked up this fake Fenty. This is the Starstruck Matchstick. It feels like nothing's in here. It's so light. The packaging looks like Fenty, but I guess there is a good bit in there, but the actual thing is really tiny compared to the Fenty ones. So guess what our lip is today? Starstruck. So I'm also gonna add a little bit of blush to it. So I'm just gonna take these 2 colors on this brush and give it a rosiness. Why does it look like I have a really pretty nude lip on? Ta-da! Okay guys, that is it for this video. Tell me why I actually love the makeup look and I like the lashes. I think the eyeshadow is really pretty. Shockingly, the foundation's like actually looking gorgeous and it still feels really nice on my skin. The highlight is beautiful. Like, I would just say the eyeshadow palette wasn't pigmented. Definitely don't get the fake Farsali. Everything else pretty much worked. Oh, the brown pencil. Girl, that was a miss. But everything else, it pretty much worked out, which I'm like, girl, how? This never happens to us. Even the setting powder, I liked it a lot. Needless to say, I'm shook. Thank you all so much for being here and watching. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. I'm just like, don't understand why this turned out so good. Like, I'm still gagged. Oh, all right, I will see you guys. I'm leaving. I'm out. Ping. Yeah, I already broke a nail. And I've had these nails on for 48 hours. I don't want to talk about it. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all ever just have a great day and you're just having a good time with life? Go ask me today. Especially because my makeup turned out right. Girl, I'm about to go somewhere and show somebody this.